So, g'day people, how you going? This is Glenn, and I am back with a new purchase that I've got. So, I'm going to open it up in front of you just to be sure. And, yeah, this is probably something that I got off eBay. Anything else in there? Nope. Now, people have been asking whereabouts do I get all my stuff from. I get it all from eBay now. It's getting in winter. I don't really want to go into the city to coin shops. Although the coin shops do have some. I do get some Australian coins from coin shops, especially new releases, and they're all Australian mint. So what have I got? Some coin sets. So there's some coins there. These feel like banknotes. So look at the banknotes first. Let's see what I've got. Ooh, yes. This is awesome. So, what have I got? I have got some Moldova banknotes. So I got 1, 5, 10 and 20. Flip it around. So I think this has a value of about 14 lei, because one American dollar. That's just off my head, but anyway. So they actually issued coins of 1, 2, 5, and 10 lei. So these three will be withdrawn from circulation. And as you can see, they have nice colour. So the highest banknote is actually 1,000 lei, and the 1 lei is the smallest. So he has King Stephen. Okay, all the banknotes have him on it, and on the reverse it has a scenery. So this is Manastiria Capriana. That's in Romanian. So they say their language is Moldavian. Maybe it's a Moldavian dialect of Romanian. So as you can see, the front is pretty much the same. 2015. I've shown Transnistria banknotes before, at least the 1 ruble, and that is a breakaway region of this country. Okay, this is SF Dumitru de Opry, and so it's a church. Type of church. Oh, that's also a church as well. That looks like a monastery actually. Pretty large church. Then 10 lei, 2013. Another monastery. So these monasteries are in Romania, Moldova, and all that. In the Balkans are actually quite nice. Same as the mosques. So another 120. So this is the lowest banknote they actually have. Here's the coat of arms up there. And that looks like a castle actually. Setaria Soroko. I'd have to actually look these up. As you can see, the print quality is actually low because of the low value. But yeah, my first Moldovan banknotes. I believe these were issued in 1993 or something, and they haven't changed them since. And then I almost the current series of Malawi banknotes. So the value is about 500 kwacha equals $1 US. So this is only worth about $2. Maybe inflation has decreased the value since then. 2016. This is Dr. Hastings Kamuzu Banda. As you can see, it's in English. So the national language of Malawi is in English because they have a lot of languages. And here's a fish from Lake Malawi, which is that orange place there, and this is the actual country now. So it's a very interesting country in the way it is formed. So wheat, silos, okay. They do have 2,000 kwacha, but I don't have that. I got these all as one set. So here's another Malawi. And Reverend John Chiwembe. He used to be on all the older banknotes previous series, which is actually a better series than this. But this series includes different people, so it is more varied. So here's a dam. Okay, it's a female, the first female on Malawi banknotes. And Rosa Lomafinda Chimbambu. As you can see, I'm not familiar with African languages in how to pronounce them. Look at security features. Looks quite nice. So pity this value of this currency is decreased. Then I have the 100. James Frederick Sangala. As you can see, they adopt English names. Quite a lot of them. Not everyone. I see that right around the world, like the Chinese, they adopt English names because they're just sick of people mispronouncing their names, because especially Cantonese names are actually a bit harder for English speakers to actually pronounce. Okay, here we go. The 50 kwacha. Inkozia. Yep. That got me. Looks like wildlife safari in a national park. Kasungu National Park. Okay. And the smallest banknote they actually have now is the 20 kwacha. So that is quite nice. Machinga Teachers Training College. So that's the smallest banknote, Malawi. And let's see what coin sets I got. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. So this is the Uzbekistan. So I've already showed these coins before. Maybe make it bigger. Okay, 500 som. This is 2018. I've already made a video. 500, 200. That's not it. 100 som. Okay. And 50 som. I only got this one because it was cheap. And then I have the 1994 coins. So Ting Tiyin. So it's in Cyrillic. And 50, you'll pretty much have coat of arms and just the denomination. And on the side it has engraving, what is it? Tiyin. So there's the denomination. That's it. So 2010, that's milled. And I have 5, which is milled. Pretty similar to the communist banknote coins. 3 Tiyin, and 1. So it didn't actually issue a 2. And then I have some coins from Swaziland. So it is small. I think it's the second smallest after the Gambia country in Africa. Oh yes, I've been wanting to get this as the current coins, 2015. So 10 and 20 cents. It's about, and they used to, this shape is the former shape of the actual coins. They just made it round. Here's a 50 cents. Okay, it's the current head of state, can't remember his name. Then we have the 1, 2, so the singular is Lelangeni, and the plural is Emalangeni. And it has the king as well. And then we have the 5. So this is the highest coin, it's worth about 50 Australian cents. Just as a coat of arms. So yep, that's nice. I'll make another video that covers that. And then I have the full set of Uganda coins. So I have the 50 shilling, 2007. Don't like how that reflects. Okay, I got the 100. Okay, 100 shilling, 200 shilling, and these are all different metals. It's okay, you can walk. People don't care. Come and say hello. Lỗ bộ. Tiếng gà lên chỗ nghe mà. Lên hồi xong. Tôi là chưa mà. And here we have Uganda. Looks like it has, I don't know what bird that is. I have to look that up. 2008. And the highest coin they actually have now is that a Ria? Might be. It's a 1,000 shilling, so 2012. Oh yeah, that security edge is nice. That's nice. Awesome coin. And it just has the coat of arms. So I have a full series of Ugandan coins, and I'm going to make a video on each of these in the future. So those are my new pickups. Maybe I don't need to make a video on them because I've already done this. But just put it in context. So anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. And I hope you have an awesome coin collecting time, people. And down below, there is a link to a Discord forum. You're welcome to join it. And just to post your coins and banknotes, or if you have anything you would like to talk about, that is also good too. Thank you and bye-bye.